Well, for one po, I think yung Supreme Court decision, especially the resolution on the motion for reconsideration, gave concrete guidelines, no? Nagbigay linaw ito. For example, sa pagdating sa initiation ng impeachment proceedings. What do I mean by that? Yung session days, talagang na-explain dito na ang session day, pagdating lamang sa impeachment, ay equivalent to a calendar day wherein sessions were held in Congress. Dati po kasi, ang paniniwala sa session day is yung legislative day, no? Wherein from call to order to adjournment, pwedeng hindi isang araw lang yan. Pwedeng 3, 4 na araw. Pero dito, na-clarify, and this was our position and this was our argument to begin with, na sinang-ayunan ng Supreme Court, na-clarify na ang isang session day, for purposes of impeachment lang po, napaka-importanting sabihin natin yan. For purposes of impeachment, one session day is equivalent to a calendar day wherein a session was held. Importante po kasi yan kasi ayon sa ating saligang batas, meron po kasing mga periods eh. For example, when you file a complaint, Congress has 10 days within which to include that impeachment complaint in the order of business. And then it has 3 session days to refer it to the Committee on Justice. Ngayon po, kung hindi po nasunod yung mga araw na yon o yung period na yon ayon sa ating saligang batas, doon po matitrigger yung 1-year bar. So, I think that's one of the more significant guidelines laid down by the Supreme Court decision.
Sir, sorry, last na lang on my end. Mukhang pag nagkataon, first time na mangyayari na magkakasabay yung impeachment ng 2 highest leaders of the land. Ano po yung naibahagi ni VP Sara tungkol dito? What are her thoughts about it?
Wala naman po, hindi naman po namin napag-uusapan yan. We're really focused on her defense. Now, with, alam naman natin yung nangyayari na may impeachment complaints against both of the highest leaders of our land. Pero pagdating naman po sa amin, we're really just focused on Vice President and, of course, providing the best defense that we can for her. So, as far as kung ano man nasabi niya sa akin, I really cannot comment on that kasi hindi naman po namin napag-uusapan.